Dale Carnegie's timeless classic, How to Win Friends and Influence People, has been a cornerstone of personal development since its publication in 1936. The book distills the art of human relations into practical, actionable principles that can enhance both personal and professional interactions. Carnegie's insights are not only profound but also incredibly accessible, making his advice as relevant today as it was nearly a century ago. Fundamental techniques in handling people. Carnegie begins with the basics of handling people, emphasizing the importance of understanding human nature. He presents 3 fundamental techniques. Don't criticize, condemn, or complain. Criticism is futile and harmful. It puts people on the defensive and fosters resentment. Instead, try to understand and forgive mistakes. Empathy builds trust and opens the door to positive change. Give honest and sincere appreciation. Everyone craves appreciation and recognition. A simple, genuine compliment can uplift spirits and inspire loyalty. Carnegie underscores the power of acknowledging others' efforts and contributions. Arouse in the other person an eager want. To influence someone, you must understand their desires and show them how to achieve those desires. This principle is rooted in empathy and aligns your goals with theirs, creating a win-win scenario. 6 ways to make people like you. Carnegie's next set of principles focuses on making a positive impression and building lasting relationships. Become genuinely interested in other people. Show authentic curiosity about others. Ask questions and listen attentively. People love talking about themselves, and your genuine interest will make them feel valued. Smile. A smile is a universal sign of friendliness and warmth. It's contagious and creates a welcoming atmosphere. Carnegie notes that smiling can transform not just your mood, but also how others perceive you. Remember that a person's name is, to that person, the sweetest sound in any language. Use people's names frequently and correctly. It shows respect and personal interest, and it helps to build a connection. Be a good listener. Encourage others to talk about themselves. Listening is a powerful tool. By giving others the chance to express themselves, you validate their experiences and feelings, which fosters a sense of understanding and connection. Talk in terms of the other person's interests. Find common ground and connect over shared passions or interests. This makes conversations more engaging and meaningful. Make the other person feel important, and do it sincerely. Recognize others' achievements and contributions genuinely. Making someone feel valued is one of the most effective ways to build rapport and trust. How to win people to your way of thinking. Carnegie's approach to persuasion is both ethical and effective. He offers 12 principles to win people over. The only way to get the best of an argument is to avoid it. Arguments are counterproductive. Instead, seek mutual understanding and compromise. Show respect for the other person's opinions. Never say, "You're wrong." Respect fosters openness. Instead of dismissing others' viewpoints, acknowledge them and build on them constructively. If you are wrong, admit it quickly and emphatically. Honesty and humility build trust. Acknowledging your mistakes can diffuse conflict and pave the way for resolution. Begin in a friendly way. A positive start sets the tone for a constructive conversation. Warmth and friendliness can make even difficult discussions more palatable. Get the other person saying, "Yes, yes," immediately. Find points of agreement early on to create a cooperative atmosphere. Let the other person do a great deal of the talking. People are more receptive when they feel heard. Encourage them to share their thoughts and feelings. Let the other person feel that the idea is theirs. People are more committed to ideas they believe they originated. Encourage ownership and collaboration. Try honestly to see things from the other person's point of view. Empathy is crucial for understanding and influencing others. Be sympathetic with the other person's ideas and desires. Show understanding and compassion for their perspectives and motivations. Appeal to the nobler motives. Inspire others by appealing to their higher values and aspirations. Dramatize your ideas. Make your ideas more compelling by presenting them vividly and engagingly. Throw down a challenge. Friendly competition can motivate people to rise to the occasion and perform at their best. Be a leader. How to change people without giving offense or arousing resentment. Carnegie's final section focuses on leadership and the delicate art of influencing others without causing resentment. Begin with praise and honest appreciation. Start with positive feedback to create a receptive environment for constructive criticism. Call attention to people's mistakes indirectly. Use subtle suggestions rather than direct criticism to correct mistakes. Talk about your own mistakes before criticizing the other person. This approach shows humility and makes others more open to your feedback. Ask questions instead of giving direct orders. Encourage collaboration and ownership by framing directives as questions. Let the other person save face. Be considerate of others' dignity and pride, especially when addressing mistakes. Praise the slightest improvement and praise every improvement. Positive reinforcement boosts morale and encourages continued progress. Give the other person a fine reputation to live up to. Set high expectations and express confidence in their abilities. Use encouragement. Make the fault seem easy to correct. This builds confidence and willingness to improve. Make the other person happy about doing the thing you suggest. Highlight the benefits and express enthusiasm to inspire action. Conclusion. How to Win Friends and Influence People is a masterclass in the art of human relations. Carnegie's principles are simple yet profound, offering a roadmap to building meaningful and influential relationships. By practicing empathy, showing genuine appreciation, and fostering a positive and collaborative environment, you can transform your interactions and achieve both personal and professional success.